Hello people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by once again. My name is Feito Milaya, and on this channel I talk about face, I talk about lifestyle and beauty. And today's video is a tutorial on a day-to-day makeup. Before we go into the video, kindly subscribe. It's a way of supporting your baby girl, this baby girl. Please subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. Without any further story, let's jump right into the video. So first off, I'm going to be moisturizing my lip with Vaseline. By the way, I have a mirror here. If I look sideways, don't think I am distracted. I'm actually focused on this tutorial. You get it. Next, I'm going to go in with micellar water from Nivea. I'm going to be using a wipe to clean my face. After that, I'm going to use my primer, this primer from Rimmel. I'm going to be using my primer. Next, I'm going in with this setting spray from Kiss Beauty. I'm going to setting spray just to add a little bit of moisture to my face, and I will let it dry. This is what my face looks like after I've applied my primer. So I'm going to go straight in with my foundation. I'm using this foundation from Blossom Makeup. I'm going to be applying with a flat top brush. Yeah, so guys, this is what my face looks like after I have applied my foundation. So I'm going to be using a beauty blender to touch this up, just so it can suck up if there's any excess foundation, it will suck it up. Yeah, I love the way this has stayed down matte. Next, I'm going to be doing my highlight using this palette from Spice.
I got this concealer into a workable consistency using again Esther makeup seal. Just a few drops, and then now I'm applying it on my T-zones and the areas where I want to highlight. I'm using this brush, this concealer brush, to blend in my highlights. I started from my under eye, then I worked my way to the second under eye. That's how I'm going to blend every other highlight on my face.
I'm going to go back in with that beauty blender I used to blend the foundation, to blend in my highlight. Next, I'm going to be applying my contour. I used this foundation and I'm going to be applying it on my contour areas here. Then for my nose, I'm going to be using this brush. That said, I would go again with that same beauty blender, and so that I would avoid harsh lines. Blush time. I added a little bit of blush to my forehead and the bridge of my nose, just to give a little bit of warmth. So I'm going to go over with a plain flat top brush all over my face, just so I can blend everything together. Then I would go in with my powder. for my powder, I'm using this product called Curly. I'm going to go ahead and bake my face using a setting powder. Next, I'm going to draw my brows. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to go in with my liner. After this is done, I'm going to go ahead and do my under eye. Mascara. And I'm going to dust off every excess powder I have on my face, from my under eye, ear, and then touch up everything. Next, I'm going to go in with my powder blush. Then I'll go in with my highlight, my bronzer. I'm going to go and do my lip. I'm going to do my lip and then right back to show you guys the finished look of our day-to-day makeup. This is the finished look of our day-to-day makeup tutorial. I hope this is simple enough for you to grab. I hope this video was interesting to you. I hope you had fun while watching it, and I hope you picked something. Let me know what else you want me to do. Let me know if there's any other video you would have me do, any other tutorial. If there's something you want me to talk about, kindly put it in the comment section and we'll talk about it and we'll bring it into reality. God helping us. Till I come your way again, before I come your way again, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till I come your way, keep living intentionally, keep loving. I love you guys. Bye.